Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to lock laptop or PC keyboard. Guys, you can see now I am typing. Now at this time my keyboard is working. So how to lock? So simply follow this step. This is just easy way to lock your laptop or PC keyboard. So guys, on the keyboard simply press shift, this shift, not another shift, this shift. Simply press and hold 8 to 10 seconds. After 8 to 10 seconds you will pop up showing on your laptop or PC screen. You can see, simply tap on a yes button and now your keyboard lock. Here you can see I am typing but my typing not working, my keyboard not working. So now how to unlock your keyboard after locking? Then press and hold shift button. When you press on it you will listen amazing notification like this. You can see appears on screen. After that, now finally your keyboard unlocked. Now I am typing, my keyboard is working. Guys, you can lock or unlock keyboard by this method. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.